2014 Toyota Highlander Limited Platinum. Most loaded you can get on this SUV. It's got a beautiful dark maroon metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels with good Michelin tires, tinted windows, roof rack crossbars. Tailgate glass opens for easy access. It's got the rear cargo trifold weather mat, power liftgate. Captain's chairs in the middle row, full panoramic sunroof, rear climate controls with heated seats. Nice well kept tan leather interior. Toyota carpeted floor mats throughout, wood grain trim, premium JBL sound system, power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver seat adjustments, a couple safety features, parking sensors, lane keep, blind spot, auto headlights, heated and cooled front seats, triple automatic climate control, free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, backup camera, steering wheel controls, just under 144,000 miles. Come on, see us at U-Cars.